So do you need to file for a divorce or a separation? Hello, I'm Rhett Burney and welcome to our channel where we will demystify the legal processes for you. Today we're discussing an important topic for couples considering changes in their marital status, the difference between a separation action and a divorce in South Carolina. If you're navigating this decision, understanding these differences is crucial for making informed choices about your future. First, let's clarify what these terms mean legally in South Carolina. Although people often use separation and divorce interchangeably in conversation, they have distinct legal implications. In South Carolina, there isn't a formal court status known as legal separation. Instead, what we have is something called an order of separate support and maintenance. This order does not end your marriage, but it can settle important issues such as property division, child custody, and support, similar to a divorce, but essentially you remain legally married but live apart under legally defined conditions. Now, let's talk about divorce. This is the formal legal dissolution of a marriage by the court. In South Carolina, you can file for divorce after living separate for at least 1 year, unless you're filing under grounds such as adultery, physical cruelty, habitual drunkenness, drug use, or desertion. A divorce legally ends your marriage, allowing both parties to remarry. So, why might couples choose one over the other? Let's talk about these scenarios. If a couple is unsure about a permanent split, an order of separate support and maintenance can allow them to sort through marital issues while keeping the door open for reconciliation. Or perhaps due to personal beliefs or financial reasons, they might prefer to remain legally married. In contrast, divorce is definitive. It's the closure of one chapter and the legal beginning of another. It's chosen where couples are certain that their marriage cannot continue. Deciding between separation and divorce is a significant decision and can be complex. It affects not just your marital status, but many aspects of your personal and financial life. So, if you're facing this tough decision, this tough choice, and need guidance tailored to your specific circumstances, consider reaching out to a qualified family law attorney. Every situation is unique, and professional advice is invaluable. Thank you for watching. If this video helped clarify the differences between separation and divorce in South Carolina for you, please call us at 864-228-1616 and give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, share this video with someone, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Until next time, take care.